Welcome back, NW3C Challengers, to Daily Capture the Flag Challenge. Today we're going to be doing a cryptocurrency challenge that is in our retired section. So you can scroll down, you can find the challenge, and it is the Kijimi Crypto Currency Crossword. And it says go to the following website. It's crosswordlabs.com/embed/NW3C cryptocurrency and complete the crossword puzzle. It can be manually filled in online or printed out for future reference. If the correct answers are filled in on the website, then the letters will be green and wrong answers will show red letters. You're going to solve the puzzle and then download and use cryptocurrency crossword phrase number 6 RTF that we provided and follow the instructions. Remember, in the instructions, you have to find the letters using the RTF and then enter them in uppercase in order to get the value. After that, answer the 2 questions for today. So once you answer one, a second one will pop up. But it says that for the first one, what food will forever be tied to this value? So let's download the cryptocurrency RTF phrase. Then I'm going to open up my terminal program on my MacBook. I am going to type in the MD5 command, and I'm going to simply enter or drag and drop the RTF file. Once I do that, I see 9E5 ending in 4105, and sure enough, I have the right file. So once we do that, let's go ahead and open up that RTF file. It says the structure of the answer below can be found using the location in the crossword puzzle and then identified letter in the word. Find the letters below in order from top to bottom, then enter them in from left to right in the blanks in the following line. They must be entered in uppercase. So if computer was 2 across in crossword and we want to use the P, then the hint would be 2 across 4th letter. You can see there's different values here and they're going to be filling in the blanks, top to bottom, left to right. So let's go ahead and look at the actual crossword puzzle here. And as you can see, you might have to scroll down to get all the different stuff. Even up at top, you can scroll down more. But we're going to start at the very top. One down, it says the key is an address that is shared with other parties to receive cryptocurrency, and it's 2 words. So that is a public key. 2 down is the network parameter that determines how long it will take miners to add new blocks to the transaction, and that's difficulty. 3 across, the key that is needed to access one's cryptocurrency and initiate transaction is 2 words. That is the private key. So if we went through and we entered in all these different values through the use of movie magic, I've already taken and filled in the RTF. And as you can see, 8 across, the second letter is X, and then P, T, etc. And I put the whole value filled in down at the bottom. I know there aren't uppercase, but if we take and we literally just copy and paste this value, and then we went in and we look for that value in the word food. Since we were talking about food, you can see there are various articles here about pizza. And if we scroll through here, it says on May 22nd, they're celebrating the first Bitcoin pizza purchase. So that happened on May 22nd in 2010, as we see down here. So let's go ahead and enter in pizza as our flag. Whoops, make sure you type it right. And there we go. Pizza is the correct answer. Then it says the new question that popped up is, when did it happen? What is the date and time of the infamous Bitcoin pizza purchase? We have a flag format of year, month, day, hour, minute, and the answer must be in UTC 24-hour time format. Now there is a hint, and it's a transaction ID you could use, but I simply went to blockchain.com and I looked for the value that we had, and I looked for May 22nd as we saw in the article. And I noticed that there is a 10,000 Bitcoin purchase here at 14:16. I'm in the Eastern time zone, so that needs to be converted when we enter in the answer. If we take that value and we go back to, after we copy it, we go back to our flag and we enter that in. I just have to change the 14 to an 18 to put it into UTC military time. And sure enough, there it is. So I've provided all the answers that you can go through here in just a second. And thanks for playing, and we hope you come back for future challenges.